This is a video chart presentation of ROIAK Inc. It's a NASDAQ listed stock trading our ticker ROIAK. It's a chart that definitely had an increase in volume over previous days on Tuesday. See the stock price closed up almost 16%, closed at $1.68, and importantly, it's sitting at a pretty tough resistance spot at this point. But the chart's been making a real nice climb off the bottom over the last couple months. So now I think it's worth putting on radar to see if it's going to take out that point, make the next leg up, and make some new higher highs. See the MACD histogram just over the last couple days starting to push back towards zero, which has me looking out for a bullish cross of that MACD of the 12 passing through the 26 EMA. It's reset itself a little bit from highs. It's a good point to look for it to drop another bullish cross and to look for this trend to go back into true bull mode and the stock price try and make new highs. See the slow stows also cooled off, telling me the stock's lost a little bit of momentum. Of course, that's when it was coming for those highs from that resistance point, slipping back from around $1.70 back down to around $1.40 support. Just over the last couple days, slow stow moving back towards 50, indicating a little bit of momentum could be coming back into this play. And just like as it was holding above 50 for so many months, I want to see it back above 50 to show that momentum is once again building in this chart. Same way with the money flow index. On the retrace, fell back below 50, held right around that area. It's a pretty neutral reading. Now a slightest incline to it, moving back towards 50. I want to see it break through that level, show that people are paying higher prices for the stock again, and to lend more credence to the idea that this is going to go into bull mode. I like the fact that the RSI is held over top of 50. You can see him going through here where it was sputtering right around that area. Once it made the break through 50 and started holding above it, there went the price per share, showing momentum was being sustained in the play, and even on the retrace held that key 50 mark and is now pushing back up towards 70, what momentum traders call the power zone. So the RSI is definitely saying that momentum is being held in this chart, and it's getting to be very strong when it starts pushing on 70. Now right to the candles. I'm looking for support at $1.40 to hold on any pullback. Stock closed at $1.68. That's a pretty healthy pullback to that point, but that's the best area of support that there is. It was definitely an area of resistance. Certainly held as support. Any pullbacks, I'd want to see that hold again. To the north side, I'm just looking for the breakout of this chart to push through this top end resistance and make some new highs. I'd want to see it push through $1.80. I don't want to see it close right there at $1.79 or something like that. That's just supporting the idea of that being a resistance point. I want to see a strong volume bar, something along those lines. Definitely increased over the previous days. Historic type volume to blow through that resistance point. And similar to this type of mentality, break through it. If it hits a new resistance point, that's fine. Come back down, settle on the old resistance point as classic support, and continue the trend of making higher highs and higher lows. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the ROIAK chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.